Imagine sitting in your bed, chilling in a living room, watching movies, and getting paid. Yes, you heard me right. You can easily make $600 a day just by watching movies in your spare time. Today, I will be teaching you how to do it, and it's so simple, anyone can do it. Hello there, and welcome to Money Kings, where we provide new videos on how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Just a quick favor, make sure that you subscribe to Money Kings and drop this video a thumbs up, and make sure to click that notification bell to be notified every time we drop a new video on the latest and the best possible ways to earn money online. What I am gonna show you today is one of the easiest and the best ways to earn money online. All you have to do is watch movies or TV shows on Netflix. So even if you are new to making money online, you can do this. I will be giving you tips and tricks to make the most money, so continue watching to get step-by-step instructions to get started. There are no hidden fees or costs whatsoever, and no matter where you are, it is accessible around the world. All you need is a computer or phone, and you can start making money. Okay, let's get started, and the first thing you will need to do is to go to jobs.netflix.com. Where you want to go from here is a button that says Teams in the upper right corner. This will show you all the different jobs that they offer. You can check the location as well to see that they are available in almost every country. So like I said, no matter where you are in the world, you can find some options of making money. The next thing you want to click on is Search Jobs, or if you are still on the homepage, you can click on Search Jobs by Keywords. Then, what you want to do is type Tagger, Tagger. From here, you will find some job offers there. Now, depending what time of the month you are looking at this, there could be more or less offers than usual. For example, if you are looking for a Tagger jobs at the end of the month, you will find less jobs. And generally, there are less desirable jobs. But usually at the beginning of the month, there will be lots of options and the ones you will want to choose first. So when you see a job that seems interesting, you can click that job offer and you will see the qualifications and details about that job. Now, here's a tip. If you want to find easier jobs or jobs you might enjoy more, you will want to check in the earlier days of the month. Now, I'm sure you are wondering, what in the world is a Netflix tagger? Before being called taggers, they were previously called editorial analysts. These are the people that will binge watch Netflix videos, movies, series, and more so they can put in the appropriate data for the series. For example, they will put tags for a movie or series. These Netflix taggers are the reason why it is easy for you to search different categories of movies and series to watch. A Netflix tagger will have to watch a movie or series and note remarkable things about the movie, and they get paid while doing it. Later on, I will show you a little trick that can help you do this so easily. Okay, so when you look at the qualifications about the job offers, depending on who is offering the job, some will have very high qualifications such as years of experience, but some of them won't have very high standards. Now, you can see that the responsibilities of a Netflix tagger is to simply analyze and tag the series or movies and to categorize them. They also have to make the movie sound more appealing based off the tags and descriptions as well. But like I said earlier, I am here to give you all the tips and tricks. I am going to show you a website that will tell you all the tags that you can copy and paste and send them to Netflix. Netflix will pay you so generously for watching movies that you'd be pleasantly surprised. Before we continue, make sure you like this video and follow our YouTube channel because we want you to live the easy life. We have brand new videos for you. You won't regret it and you'll get the notification almost every day if you click on that notification bell. Alright, so the website you will want to go is called filmtagger.com. With this website, you can look for different movies and have quick, easy access to all of the information you will need. All you need to do is watch movies through this website and the website will do all of the work for you. For instance, if you go to the search bar and literally just type in any movie that comes into your mind or that you really feel like watching, for example, if you type Avengers Endgame and then click on that movie, it will direct you to a page and where you can get money by choosing the movie you wish to view. You will be able to tell it's the correct movie because of the picture of the film. So the green colored tags or categories are linked to this video. These are all of the various tags that are associated in some way with this movie, which is associated also in some way with the categories someone might search for. So again, if you click on the movie, you will see that this website will give you all of the tags that are related to this movie. I want you guys to comment down below what movie you will look for at Film Tagger because I am interested in your opinion. If you are a movie fanatic like myself, I believe this is the perfect job for you. Now, back to Film Tagger. These green colored tags are exactly what we are looking for. If you continue to scroll down, you will find other movies that are also associated with your movie. Now, we are going to use that in the Netflix jobs to maximize your income and start earning a lot. All you have to do is to use the tags that you got from Film Tagger, then you will just go back to jobs.netflix.com. But don't forget our little tip from earlier, that if you can start early in the month, like from the 1st of the 10th day of the month, you will get higher chances of getting hired and have a much better and convenient job offer. Now, once you apply and get the job, you will just have to binge watch that series and look for that certain series on Film Tagger. And then, based on the data that you can get from Film Tagger, you can have a much greater outlook of that series, which is going to help you analyze the series and put in the appropriate tags for that series or movie. From there, you can get paid by Netflix. It is easy and convenient. I hope that you learned this trick because it is so fun. And on top of that, it can get you earning tons of cash. Now, if you like this video, then come check out our other videos that you might also like. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family so that they can also start earning serious money just by staying at home and utilizing their phones and laptops. Have fun binge watching your favorite shows and thank you for watching!